Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot W03 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to measure the heart rate on this watch, or if you want to get the most accurate results, basically, it's recommended to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. So, first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. And you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen, or right on the screen, my bad, right, to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the heart rate option, and tap on it to open the heart rate widget. And once you open the widget, the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. So I'm gonna place the finger on the sensor. As you can see, it detected our heart rate. And the number will jump around. And I believe it will be measured in real time. So basically it will jump around, and once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. And once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can simply press the side button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.